know. Maybe rocks don't eat. Are they even alive?
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. We are testing equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Good choice. I'm definitely alive. Okay, first thing. Ari is really good at eating. Rocky, not so much. Eating. Got it.
Okay, what else do things that are alive do?
You just did it right now.
I did? Talking. Rocky doesn't talk, so that's one more thing we do that Rocky doesn't. Yeah, but trees don't talk, and I'm pretty sure they're alive. You're right. Butterflies don't talk either, and they are definitely alive.
That's true. So you don't have to talk to be alive.
Okay,